Hello friends, welcome to the 31st episode of Joomla 2.5 custom component development series. In the previous episode we have seen how to block a user to prevent the chat. So in this episode we will unblock the user and also we will display all the blocked user list in the blocked user view. Okay, so let's start. So this is the blocked user table. So let's copy this, we need this, and there is a user ID field. So let's go to the backend components com_open chat controller.php. So where we are getting the chat history here, so we have to modify this query so that we can grab the blocked user ID. Okay, so let me press enter so that you can see in a better way. So left join, yeah. So now we will join another table. So left join has __ our table name, paste open chat ID as user block on c dot user ID, that is chat table user ID, equal to blocked user ID. So user blocked ID dot user ID. Okay, so now also we will use this in the and we will create an alias for this. So d as blocked user. Okay, now same thing we will do in that section, and also the left join portion. Here, okay, so now let's check it's working or not. So we can check by printing the chat objects, this object. So to display better we will use the pre tag. So pre not closing, just opening pre tag, and print _r this array of objects. So chats, and save and go to the backend and refresh this page. Sorry. So now here we can see blocked user. This is not blocked, but here this is blocked. So now which user is blocked, then we will display unblocked user, and if the user is not blocked, then we will display blocked user. So let's go to that section. So in this view here we have to write the condition. So if chat object, so dollar chat and blocked user, that is greater than 0, that means is user already blocked, or if not, then user is not blocked. So if the user is blocked, then we will use the unblock user, and we will clock unblock user and pass this ID, and here we will give the same block user. So let's save this and refresh our page. Sorry. Now you can see that in user 1 section we can see the unblock, but in case of other user we can see block because they are not blocked. Okay, so let's go to the front end and logging. Already I'm logged in with user 1. So if I write user 2, I have logged in user 2. So let's log in, log out and log in as user 1. So user 1, I have logged in. Let's go to the open chat and try to chat. So hi, hello, you have been blocked by admin. So user 1 will not able to chat, but he can log into the Joomla section because we have not blocked the user, just we have blocked for chat only. Okay, so if you want to block, then you have to modify the hash underscore underscore users table. Okay, so we have to implement the unblock section. So for unblock, we need to create a function in the controller like blocked user. So let's copy and paste so that we can do this quickly. So this one will be unblocked user. Instead of insert, we will delete. So delete from our table name, and we'll put an condition where user ID equal to this one. Okay, so we have changed the query. We're running. If that exists, then we will say here user unblocked successfully. Okay, so save and try, and we will disable the printing object section. So where we are printing here, so let's remove this section. So save and go to the backend, refresh this page. Something bad happened. I think I have forgot to change the function name. Yes, unblock. Save, go to the backend and refresh this page. So now the user 1 not able to chat. He is saying you have been blocked. So now we are unblocking this user 1. So click on the unblocked user. So here you can see unblocked removed, and now you can see block. So let's try. So if I send, it's working. So block and unblock is working perfectly. Now we will display all the blocked user list in this view. Okay, so let's start quickly. So for this reason, we need to implement that function like blocked users. So let's copy this function name and create one. I think already created that. We just need to modify. So let's search the function. This one. So here we will implement. So we will create one function that get blocked user. So get blocked users function blocked users. Now we will copy this page, and because you have already learned how to display, that's why I am copying and pasting all the things. Okay, if you have any problem with understanding, then just comment. I will explain once again. So select star from user blocked dot star, and from this table as user block, and we will left joint with the user. So user block, and we will remove this one. So user block dot id descending, and get total blocked blocked users. We have to create this function. So let's quickly create this function. Get total blocked users function. So like this one we have to implement. So copy, paste. We just need to change the query. So copy and change the query. Done. So here we have done these things. Okay, so let's grab these blocked users data here. So echo pre dollar users blocked users equal to dollar this users print underscore r dollar blocked users, spelling is wrong, change this, save. Now if I go to that section and refresh this page, we are not getting anything because we don't have any blocked user. So let's block few user 2, block block the user 1. So we got the 2. So now go to that view. Sorry. So now we are getting this 2. Okay, so we will display in a table format. Okay, so just here we will copy all these things so that we can do faster. Yes, so we have copied all the things. We need to modify like ID, full name, username will be present, and date time. These things we need. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, that's it. Instead of chat, this one will be blocked users. So blocked users and chat will be blocked user. We will remove this one. We don't, yeah, we need this. And here we will pass this ID to unblock that user. Okay, so here it will be 4 1 2 3 4 and 5 5, and in the previous it should 6 because we have 6 column. So let's refresh this page. Here you can see it's working perfectly. Now I can see block. Oh, this should be unblocked because already these are all blocked users. So no if else condition, just change, it will represent this. Good, because in blocked user all the users will be blocked. Okay, so why it's coming block? Let me check where we are modifying. Oh, we are modifying the chat history section. Sorry, let's undo. We have to modify here. In the blocked users, let's remove this pre, save, and refresh this page. So now we can see unblock 1 2 3 4. Oh, sorry, we need one extra column here called action. Then it is also 5. Refresh this page. Now it's working. Now we have to check the pagination is working or not. So for this we can alter this value, so per 1. So let's go and refresh. So now we can see your pagination. If I click on the next, we can see the next one. If I go to the previous, still the pagination, yeah, 153 and 154, but both were displaying the same. No, there is some problem because here displaying a lot of page. We are in the chat history, so we have blocked user. So here displaying the user 1 and 2 page, and if I click on the next, we can see, oh sorry, we have to change the URL. Tasks will be this one. So in the blocked user display list, here you can see in the form is, so the form is submitting to the chat history page, that's why. Now save and refresh this page. So we can see list of blocked user, but we have enabled one user per page, that's why it's displaying 1. And if I click on the next, we can see user 2. So pagination is also working and list is also working. So let's change this pagination limit to 2 or 10, then the 2 view will work independently. So here if I go to the chat history page, so we can see per 10 entry per page. If I go to that blocked user page, we can see 2. Okay, so we have completed our open chat. There are few bugs we have not solved, like we have not enabled, like not bugs really, security flaws. We have not stopped checked SQL injection or cross-site scripting or any token. We have not used token, so in future we will use token and others validation stuff. So now I will not create any more video in this component. So we have completed this one. So from the next video I will create how to use Joomla view. After that Joomla view we will create model, different model. So in the next tutorial I will show you how to create view in your component. Thanks for watching this video tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.